Hello YouTubers, today we are reviewing this right here, Samsung clothes washer. This is the Samsung clothes washer. So here's the energy guide if you care about that, and I hope you do. That's the connection type, pretty standard. This is the exhaust, hot and cold. So you're gonna need that. And here's how you turn it on. Press for 3 seconds. So it does have the braille right here if you're blind. And then if you listen to this, if you're blind, you're not gonna know which setting you're on. So there's kind of no point for the braille. So anyway, we have different settings right here, the steam cycles. So you can have normal. Normal looks like that. Here are the parameters which you can adjust if you want. We have a quick cycle, delicates, permanent press, rinse and spin. And this is not an actual cycle, this is just for cleaning the machine every once in a while. Sanitize, that's if you got something putrid. That's for the bedding, for the your bed sheets. White color, so this one uses a lot of spinning. Heavy duty. And normal. I just use normal. Right here, you have 3 compartments. Softener. This is the bleach, which I never use. And this is the liquid detergent. And if you want to use powder, you can just take that out and you use powder. Now down here, we have a filter, which needs to be changed 5 times a year. And inside is just a regular drum, nothing special there. Let's look at it anyway. So that's how that looks. Nothing special. And here's some more information. It does not have a light. I don't think any of them do. And this is stackable since it's a front load washing machine. You can stack the dryer on top. And this is supposed to be strong enough to hold it. And this particular one is powered by a regular socket. Unlike the dryer, which needs a special connection, this one uses a regular connection. You absolutely need this, the connectors and the drain. And you probably should know that, but I'll tell you anyway. So let's keep looking here. It does have a safety child lock if you have a child. You can press and hold for 3 seconds. So now it's locked. So a child cannot go in there. Now if you press and hold for 3 seconds, again, it'll temporarily unlock it. But it's still locked. It's just a temporary. It's not permanently unlocked. Because remember, you don't want a 3-year-old or a 2-year-old to go in here. So let's wait. It's gonna relock. So while it times out, let's look at the other things that we have here. We have the temperature. So that's the temperature of the cycle. We have the rinse. It's gonna rinse up to 5 times in a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 5. You can hear it locked, so it's locked again. The spin, there's a minimum of no spin, and that's high. And then there's how dirty your clothes is. So I would say 2 is normal. Okay, so now let's permanently unlock the door. So we're gonna press and hold for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it's permanently unlocked. Another option you have is to turn on the alarm. That's on. And that's off. And now this delay and that's if you want your clothes to be ready in 4 hours. So you just put it in there and leave it like that. And you can change it up to 24 hours. I have no clue. Why you would want to do that. Pre-soak adds 30 minutes to the soaking process. So if you have really dirty clothes, you can use pre-soak. And now there's this, you can put it on spin only. I don't know why you would want to do that. So I'm not going to even get into that. It's just like that delay and makes no sense to me. And then smart care. If you want to enter smart care mode, you press and hold and it's going to check if there are any trouble with the machine. Right now it's telling me that there's nothing wrong. If there was something wrong, there would have been a code. And there's an app that works with this. So the app would actually tell you what's wrong. So let's look at the app. Okay, so this is the app that you want to download from the Google Play Store. It's called the Samsung Smart Washer Dryer. It's by Samsung Electronics Company Ltd. So let's open it up. Then we're going to go to Samsung Care. Samsung Care again. Click Next. And over here we're going to do a Smart Care. Press it and hold. And then you use this like that. So right here it detects the code. Click OK. And it says no checkpoints. So that means that there's no trouble with it. So that's how the app tells you if there's something wrong with it. You can find out. Okay, so now let's see how you would normally activate a cycle. Let's do heavy duty in this state. Let's do, heavy duty, but let's change the temperature. Make it really hot. And the spin, only that much. Soil. 3. So normally we would put detergent in there. And let's bring something to put in there. Okay, so let's open it up. Now let's add some detergent. This is it. And now let's press start. So basically you have to press and hold. So yeah, this heavy duty cycle is gonna take 1 hour and 54 minutes. If you would have put it on the normal cycle, it would have only taken only 45 minutes. So it's starting over there. You can't see it. Let me light it up. Wow, this is a quiet machine. It's a fairly quiet machine. So I'm gonna leave the alarm on so it lets me know that it's finished. And let's go indoors. Well, we're already indoors, so let's go to my table and let's read the instructions. I just want to let you guys know that in my channel I do a lot of reviews. So I reviewed this already, and I reviewed that already, and I reviewed this already, and this, and this, and this. So look at my channel if you're interested in any one of these reviews. So let's go to the laundry and see what's happening. So here we are. Laundry is going to be ready in 1 hour and 18 minutes. And you can hear it moving. This looks like it's dirty, but it's actually clean, and it's just the flash making it look that way. Okay, so here's that door lock icon that we looked at on the manual. So let's say we want to open the door in the middle of a cycle. So you'd have to press pause. You can hear it open. And then there we go. Oof, it's hot. You can see the clothes, you can see it's hot in there. So that's how you pause the cycle. Okay. Believe it or not, I accidentally pressed the power button. Oh my goodness. I ruined everything. So that's the bad thing about touch controls. I accidentally did that. and it forgot my cycle. Look. That's unbelievable. You would think that if it's in the middle of a cycle, they would make you press 3 seconds to turn it off. But no, it's in the middle of a cycle, and then I accidentally did this, and the whole thing's ruined. Okay, so I was thinking about that, how easy it is to accidentally turn it off. And I believe that the engineers that made this machine, they made it easy to turn it off, perhaps for safety reasons. Because imagine that you look in here and you realize that there's a baby in there. A baby is spinning around in there. And you get nervous and you get shaky and you want to turn it off. You just press it and it turns off. And that's what you want. You wouldn't want to press and hold for 3 seconds, because those 3 seconds can mean the difference between life and death. If you see a baby just going brum 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 in there, or maybe a cat or a little dog. Or even worse, imagine that you forget that you have to press and hold the button to turn the machine off, so you keep pressing and pressing and pressing buttons all over the place, and you can't turn it off because you get really nervous and you forgot that you have to press and hold, and the baby keeps rolling around in there. So now that I think about it, I'm kind of glad that they made this easy to turn off. Or if there's water flowing out, creating a mess all over the place. See, this is the second floor, if you can see. Hey, look at that ugly car. It has a tape there. But anyway, we're on the second floor, so if this is spinning out of control or shaking or doing anything crazy, you want to just boom, turn it off right away. So let's wait for 22 minutes and it'll finish. 13 minutes to go. Okay, so that tune that you heard, that's the actual tune that the machine makes. I didn't add that to the video. Okay, so it's done. It smells good. So I am happy. So that was that. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.